Last week, you watched us test out every head sail we own as we navigated our way through the doldrums. This week, join us as we catch our first glimpse of land upon arriving in the Marquesas Islands.
Are you seeing this?
I'm Holly. That's Ray. And this is our home, Sabado. Together, we've sailed the east coast of the United States, the Bahamas, and the Caribbean. And now we've begun the next leg of our circumnavigation, the Pacific. Subscribe to tag along on the adventure. It's day 23 of our Pacific crossing, and we're just under 900 miles away from Hiva Oa. It feels bittersweet, honestly. I've really enjoyed this passage. I love being offshore. I love the solitude. I'm very excited to see our beautiful new cruising grounds, but I think I'm gonna miss this when it's over. Oh, that was amazing. Feeling now that we're nearing the end of our trip?
Good. It's been a good passage. You know, after a week or so, it doesn't really matter how long you're out here. It's just because the way you're living. It's gone well. The boat's done well. A few changes that we'll do before our next passage with sails and things like that. But yeah, overall, good. It's a good trip.
We've had 6 to 9 foot seas out here for the past week. Seeing some growth down there. Looks like goose barnacles.
We adjusted course this morning, so we're now on a run line to our destination. So we should be on this point of sail now, which is a broad reach. Much more comfortable now too. But we should be on this point of sail for the rest of the trip. Did I already say we did 165 miles today, average 6.5 knots. And things are good. It's a beautiful day. Things are great.
I didn't anticipate spending so much of this passage tracking down noises. Ray is lubing up our halyard with conditioner for the, I don't know, 5th time this trip. Sounds silly, but it works. Where did you come from? Too far south. Gonna have to drive. Come on.
We did 165 miles today. Still have about the same amount of wind. We still have 18 to 20 knots of wind. The seas are calming down a little bit right now, which is good. We're currently going about 8 knots, which is too fast to make water for a water maker. So we're going to do something soon because we've got 20 gallons.
We're going to get there fast. That's what we got to do.
That's what we're going to do. Yeah, I'm actually ready. I'm ready. Today was the first day that I felt like I want to get the anchor down and get there and take a long hot shower.
sail last night and into this morning. We've got about 18 knots of wind and our speed over ground is around 7. Still super rolly, but I think that's to be expected out here. We're using the jib and our main on its first reef. We're gonna jibe and see if we can get some sun on these solar panels. Our sails have been shading them all day. It's worth a shot. You know, we've changed time zones a couple times on this trip. And it's been a little confusing. I remember taking my night watch one night and thinking like, man, this shift is just never ending, not realizing that we had just gained an hour. But I think today has been the worst. We just had dinner. It's 6 p.m. My phone says it's 6 p.m. We just had dinner. But I'm like, wow, the sun is just nowhere near setting. Where I set the chart plotter to local time in the Marquesas, it's 2 p.m. It's 2:30, actually, it's 2:30. Houston, we have a problem. Oh, please just hold on until we get there. We're so close. I woke up to this. Excuse me. I see you in there. You are not coming with us. Oh my God. Are you seeing this?
I have to move.
Ray! I'm leaving that in. Let's see if I remember how to drop the anchor.
Go ahead and make sure that anchor wheel is working.
Yep. Wow, other boats. Well, anchor is down. It's so beautiful here. I've never been somewhere that smells so good. It's like wet flowers. Jasmine, maybe? I don't know. There's another one.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. I'm not gonna shoot it though.
No, that would be
No littering.
irresponsible. Woo! You gotta hold one. Cheers, my love. We did it!
Yeah, that's right. Cheers, baby.
Over the past 27 days, we have traveled 4,049 nautical miles across the largest ocean on Earth. It took us 649 hours to be exact, some of which were physically exhausting and unexpected, while others were calm and peaceful. We celebrated crossing the equator for the first time and learned more about ourselves and our boat than we ever thought possible. This was the longest passage of our circumnavigation, and we tackled it as a team. Thank you guys so much for following along, but the adventure does not stop here. Right now we are overdue for a good night's sleep and probably several days worth of cleaning, but we have so much more to share about this passage, so check back next week for more.